Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed to keep a meeting confidential in Outlook, maybe it's about sensitive projects, HR discussions, or client contracts, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to make a meeting private in Outlook, step by step, in under 5 minutes. Let's jump right in. First, open any web browser and go to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. Click Sign In and enter your Outlook credentials carefully. Your work email and password. Once you're logged in, head over to the calendar section. You'll find it on the left-hand menu right next to the mail icon. Now, locate the meeting you want to make private. You can either create a brand new event or edit an existing one. Just click on that meeting and you'll see all its details, like the title, time, attendees, and description. Next, it's time to enable privacy. Click Edit to modify the event. Now look for a private option. It's usually on the top toolbar or sometimes inside a drop-down menu. Once you select it, Outlook automatically hides the meeting details from anyone who isn't invited. They'll only see that your time is blocked. This is super handy for corporate environments where calendar visibility is shared, but you still want to keep certain meetings confidential. Just keep in mind, some organization admins may still have access based on company policy, so always use discretion for highly sensitive matters. Finally, click Save or Done to apply your changes. And that's it. Your meeting is now marked as private and protected from unwanted eyes. By using the private meeting feature, you gain more control over who can view your event details, helping you maintain professionalism and confidentiality across your schedule. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick Outlook and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.